Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and oh my god, we're now in the month of November. I hope you guys had an amazing time trick-or-treating. If you guys do follow me on Instagram, I went ahead and posted some pictures. If you guys want to go ahead and check that out, I'll be leaving the link down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out. And my Halloween was amazing. Actually, I celebrated the weekend before with friends and we went out and it was just so much fun, you guys. Now we're in the month of November, which I'm super excited about, and I just wanted to go ahead and share a new palette that I just recently purchased. This was the Gingerbread Spice palette by Too Faced. The minute I seen this that they actually were gonna release this palette, I was just like obsessed. In the back of the box, it has all the shades that come in this palette, and of course each and one of the names of the shadow. So let me go ahead and set this aside and pull out the palette. This is a palette right here, and these are the shades that come in this palette. Isn't that so cute, you guys? Like, all these shades are so beautiful and adorable, and I'm excited to dig in and create a fun makeup look for you guys. It actually does have a scent of gingerbread, so if you guys do like that, actually this is the cutest thing ever. And yes, you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, you guys, so I already went ahead and applied my foundation off camera. I also did my eyebrows off camera. And for today's foundation, I'm actually using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is a full coverage foundation, and when I tell you guys it's full coverage, girl, that thing is full coverage. So yes, this was in the shade F9. They had F10, and F9. I mixed it. That is more of my shade. This one's actually more of a lighter shade on me right now. But since we're actually going to be bronzing it, it should be okay. For concealer, I'm actually using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, which is this one right here, and this one's in the shade C8, and I really like this one, you guys. What else? I think that's pretty much it. So yes, you guys, before anything, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some translucent powder underneath the eye, just in case if there's any fallout. Now for translucent powder, I'm gonna be using the Airspun, which is this one right here. Now first, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Figgy Pudding, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the crease area. For today's eyeshadow base, I'm actually using the Makeup Revolution concealer, which is this one right here. Now using the shade Gumdrop, I'm gonna go ahead and blend Figgy Pudding out. Now using the shade Looky at Cookie, I'm gonna go ahead and blend those shades out. Now next, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Frostbite, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the lid area. So with that, I'm actually gonna be grabbing a packing brush, and it's actually a beautiful shade, which I am so in love with. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the lid area. I'm also gonna go ahead and grab the shade Hot Toddy, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the lid area. Now next, I'm going to go ahead and grab the shade Reindeer Paws, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the outer V of the eye. Oh my god, you guys, the shadows are coming out so nice. Now for the brow bone, I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Powder Sugar. Now next, I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Fidgy Pudding, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this underneath the lower lash line. Now next, I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Reindeer Paws, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this underneath the lower lash line, blending it with Fidgy Pudding. And I'm actually not bringing it all the way in, I'm actually stopping in the middle of the eye. So I'm blending it with Fidgy Pudding. Now using Looky at My Cookie, I'm going to go ahead and blend that shadow out. For my inner corner of the eye, I'm going to be using Warm and Toasty, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the inner corner of my eye. So this is what I have so far for the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what I have so far for the eyes. I went ahead and also applied some falsies as well as liquid eyeliner. And what I did was I stacked 3 of the Creme Shop lashes. So you guys could go ahead and use either 1 or 2 lashes. I normally like to stack them, and I have 3 on right now. Now next, we're gonna go ahead and bronze the face. Now for that, I'm gonna be using the Profusion 5-color face palette, which is this one right here. Now for that, I'm gonna be using this Brilliant bronzer, and I'm gonna go ahead and bronze the face. Now going back and using the 5-color palette, I'm going to be using Fantasia, and I'm going to go ahead and apply these on the apples of the cheek. Now next for lips, I'm going to be using this Profusion Lips to Go kit, which is this one right here. And this was in the shade Fantasy. I really like this kit because it has the lip liner, it has a matte liquid lipstick, and it also has a sparkling topper, which is so amazing. And it's 3 items for $4.99, and I think this is amazing. So if you guys haven't got your hands on these, go ahead and check these little babies out at your local Target or at the Profusion website. And first, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the matte liquid lip cream. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and set the face. Now for that, I'm gonna be using this Kokiecosmetics Hydrating Setting Spray, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my face. So since my face is still wet, I'm gonna go ahead and use this Shimmer Squad by Lottielondon, and we're gonna be using the shade The Queen Bee, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the high points of the cheek. We are already now in the month of November, and we are now getting closer to December. The year is almost over, and that is crazy. Yeah, there's so much that went on this year for me. I'm actually excited for this new year that's coming up in a few more weeks. This year's over. The shadows work so nicely, you guys, and I have to say that I'm really loving this look. I hope you guys did enjoy this look as well. All the products that I used in this video will be linked down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up so I know that you guys did enjoy this video, which means so much to me. And for those of you guys that are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being subscribed to this channel. And for those of you guys that are returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for being subscribed and being part of this journey, which means so much to me. And for those of you guys that are new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button down below, as well as hit the little notification button right next to it so you can be alerted whenever I upload a new video. And for those of you guys that are interested in following me on my social media, I'll be leaving all those links down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. And yes, you guys, this is it for this video. So until next time, be careful, be safe. Bye guys.